IT, you're in the right place. I'm Clarissa Epps, a Wake Tech graduate with a great career in advertising and graphic design. I'm here at the RTP campus in Mooresville, the hub of Wake Tech's future-focused IT programs. The programs here are specialized to prepare you with work skills that give you a leg up on career opportunities in our region's dynamic technology workspaces. Right now, there are thousands of tech jobs in the Triangle that employers are looking to fill. Companies like Lenovo, IBM, NetApp, HCL, and plenty of others. Entry-level IT jobs are paying some really good money. And thanks to all Wake Tech's partnerships with business and industry, you might even land an internship that'll turn into a great permanent job. At Wake Tech, you'll pick a specialized degree program like business analytics, cloud computing, cybersecurity, computer programming, data science, network management, or web developer. Skills in these fields are in high demand. If you're creative, you might want to consider my personal favorite, advertising and graphic design, or Wake Tech's super hot program in simulation and game development with a new lab in photogrammetry. You know the animation in the live-action Lion King movie? You'll learn how to do that. The best part is, whether you pick one of these degree programs or start with a short-term non-degree program to go to work right away, you'll earn industry-recognized credentials and you will always have the opportunity to continue your education. Wake Tech IT programs are offered on several campuses, including Southern Wake, Scott Northern Wake, and of course, right here on RTP campus. Many courses and some full programs are offered completely online. And what's more convenient than that? Wake Tech Online is ranked by more than one source as the #1 online community college in the country. That's right, the country. Wake Tech's Virtual Support Center can connect you with all the virtual tools and resources you need, from financial aid and advising to e-learning support. You can even access Wake Tech's libraries and other services remotely. But you really should consider checking out Wake Tech's campuses for the full college experience. All campuses offer a great library, tutoring centers, disability support services, and career and employment resources. There are great spaces to study between classes, open computer labs, and plenty of coffee shops so you can pick something up before your early morning or late afternoon class. And if you like sports, this is the place to be. Wake Tech has 2 gyms, one on Southern Wake and one on Scott Northern Wake campus. The Wake Tech Eagles shine in the National Junior College Athletic Association. And with our new esports program, Wake Tech is one of the very few colleges in the nation where gaming is a recognized intercollegiate sport and game development is an academic degree. Beyond sports, there are a host of other activities and leadership opportunities to enrich your college experience. So go ahead, log on and fill out that application online and consider Wake Tech as your key to an exciting future in IT.
Animation and Game Development program prepares students for an exciting and ever-changing industry where art, computer programming, education, and entertainment collide. Our program continually adapts to this rapidly evolving industry, including adding 2 new certificates and 4 new classes thanks to an NSF ATE grant award. These certificates focus in technical art and photogrammetry and technical animation with the new classes: photogrammetry, motion capture, technical art, and advanced animation. During the first year of our grant award, we collaborated with industry professionals to help determine essential topics and practices for our classes. Faculty members completed externships with local companies for photogrammetry and motion capture. Our program acquired equipment to transform an empty classroom into a motion capture and photogrammetry studio. Despite COVID-19 challenges, we have developed 2 of our 4 courses and continue to adapt to the new normal as we develop courses and prepare for delivery.
Hi, and welcome, future Wake Tech Eagles. My name is Noreen Kemp, and I am the Department Head for Programming and Information Sciences within the Information Technology Division here at Wake Tech Community College. And I would love to tell you about the 3 degree programs in my department. Those 3 degree programs consist of Computer Programming and Development, Data Science and Support Services, and Business Analytics. So let's take a look at each one individually. The first one is Computer Programming and Development. In this degree path, students will learn 2 programming languages. Everybody learns Python, and then in your second semester, you have an opportunity to choose between Java or C++, which means when you graduate, you will graduate with your Associate of Applied Science in Computer Programming and Development. And if you choose the Java path, you'll also earn the Java Programming Certificate. If you choose the C++ path, you'll earn the C++ Programming Certificate. Some things that you might not know about the curriculum in specific is that we are very active in getting our students in touch with professional mentors. So in your final 2 semesters, you will complete your 2-semester capstone, where you will work with professional mentors in the industry as they critique your work as a professional, as well as your instructor critiquing your work for the academic skills. So some really cool stuff about our computer programming and development degree program. Some of the most often questions that are asked is, can I get an internship while I am completing my degree? And the answer is yes. One of the options in your 5th semester is a project elective, and you can choose to do work-based learning and work in industry as well as earn academic credits. And we find that a lot of the interns who actually take this opportunity to do work-based learning will be hired full-time from those internship opportunities. Another most frequently asked question is, can I take my degree and transfer it to a 4-year institution? And the answer is yes, you can. And we have a lot of degree from universities both inside North Carolina and outside North Carolina that you can transfer your entire degree to. Some of those colleges include UNC Greensboro, NC Wesleyan College, Western Governors University, North Carolina Central University, North Carolina A&T, Northeastern University, and then UNC Charlotte. So yes, you have an opportunity to take your Associate of Applied Science degree and apply it towards your bachelor's degree, taking all of those credits along with you. So that's a little bit about the Computer Programming and Development degree, and I hope that you choose this program, and I look forward to meeting you and talking to you in the chat session. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon. Now I'd like to take a minute to tell you about the next degree in the Programming and Information Sciences department, and that's the Data Science and Programming Support Services degree. This degree is considered the back end of data analytics, and here you're going to learn how to scrape data from a website, create queries in SQL, create queries in an Oracle database to actually create data sets that are then analyzed in our business analytics program. Some of the courses that you're going to see in this degree are much like the courses in the computer programming and development, because we feel that all students should learn those fundamentals. So the other great thing is that you can decide halfway through your curriculum and decide programming is more for you and focus on learning more Python. And you can do that in the computer programming and development degree as well. Also in this degree program, you'll have an opportunity to work with professional mentors in the CSC 154, CSC 289 2-semester capstone project. And then also you have the opportunity to work as an intern. Some of the places that you can intern are going to be Wake Med, Wake County Government, Blue Cross Blue Shield, SAS, and some big names like that, because we're great partners with our local industry leaders. Again, where can you take this degree? Welcome back, Future Wake Tech Eagles. Now I'd like to tell you about the third and final degree program within the Programming and Information Sciences departments, and that is Business Analytics. Did you know that Wake Tech Community College is the only 2-year institution within the country that offers a business analytics degree? That's right here in your backyard, business analytics degree. In this degree, one of the things that we consider our business analytics degree is to be the front end of data analytics. You're going to learn skills such as R, Tableau, SAS, working within Python. Again, everybody learns Python. It's one of the #1 sought after programming languages, not only here in the Raleigh area, but in the country. So a lot of great things going on in programming and information sciences, and we hope you choose our department and one of our degrees. I look forward to working with you in the near future. Thanks, and have a great day.
Leaston, and I'm the program director for the network management program at Wake Tech, and just wanted to give you a little bit of information about our program. The network management program is a degree program offered in the Information Technology Division at Wake Tech. It's an Associate of Applied Science degree. It can be finished in 2 years, roughly 65 credits, As you matriculate through the program, we offer certificates and diplomas you can obtain. You can also obtain those certificates outside of the degree program if you're just interested in obtaining these certificates. We also offer certifications. We are a Cisco Academy, a Cisco Networking Academy, and teach from the Cisco curriculum. So we offer a CCNA certificate and a CCNP certificate. Our students are able to take these certifications as they go through the program and learn about the various types of networks. And as you'll see, even in 2020, the CCNA and CCNP are still in the top 10 of industry certifications in IT. We also have several university partnerships to make the transition from graduation to transferring to a four-year college easy. We have articulation agreements with North Carolina A&T, East Carolina University, Western Governors University, and North Carolina Wesleyan. We also have articulation agreements that allow our students to matriculate and transfer to these degree programs with knowing that a lot of their credits will be accepted as they transfer. These are agreements that we've already established with these universities to make that process, that pathway very smooth. So what will you learn in the program? You'll learn about computer networking, storage, virtualization, how to build networks, how to troubleshoot networks, and network design. Anything relating to networks, communicating, computers, communicating across wide areas, anything related to wide area networking, local area networking, and various things of that nature. What can you do with a networking degree? Well, there's various jobs you can have: a network engineer, a network operations center analyst or a NOC analyst, a network technician, a field engineer, a network analyst, a network administrator, and then a data center support engineer. Just some of the jobs our students go on to receive. So where can you work? We currently partner with several companies in the Research Triangle area. We partner with Lenovo, Cisco, NC, Verizon, NetApp. We currently have several students there right now participating in internships, what we call our work-based learning program, and we're constantly looking to obtain more partners to allow our students, work opportunities and things of that nature. So if you have any questions, you can give me a call or email me. My email address is jaleaston@waitech.edu. The phone number is 919-866-6294. I appreciate your time. Thanks a lot.
If you have ever wondered about the cloud and the technology that supports the Cloud Infrastructure Degree Program is a program for you. You will learn about some exciting technologies such as operating systems, which are those programs that make computers run. In the program, we focus on the Linux and Windows operating systems. And these are the fundamental components that run your computers. So you'll get comfortable with working with these operating systems and know how to configure them so that computers can use them in a business environment. You will learn to work with virtualization. Virtualization is specialized software that you put on a single computer to make it act like multiple computers. You'll see how virtualization works, how you can establish multiple computers on one machine. The program will provide you with a strong understanding of networking, and that is how to connect machines together for multiple use, for user access, and to be able to provide good networking principles that people can access, and therefore they're accessing the cloud. You are also going to need to know a few things about programming and programming in a cloud environment to be able to support it. And you'll get introduced to Python programming, which is used extensively in cloud environments. Another important skill set that you will learn is on data center operations. How are these computers working within a business? How to support them, how to troubleshoot them, make sure that they are working well together. As a key IT specialist, you want to be able to understand how these computers that we call the cloud are actually creating that cloud environment, that cloud infrastructure to support the needs of a business or another organization that utilizes the cloud. There are many positions available with the skills that you get from a cloud infrastructure degree. And we put this program together working with our industry sponsors. And I'm very pleased to be able to name a few, such as NetApp and Cisco, among a few others, that have worked with us to design this program to give our students the skills they need to succeed. And you can get into a position that then supports the cloud infrastructure, what makes the cloud work, system administrator positions that specifically support servers, how they work and their configuration. Be able to combine these skills too with the cloud and system administrator to work in a data center, whether it's a traditional data center or a cloud data center, and be even an overall IT technical support specialist who has good skills that you can support the major computing environments that are in use today. If you would like more information on the Cloud Infrastructure Program, don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. My email address is on the slide, jrwetsch@waketech.edu, or you can go to the Wake Tech website and just do a search on Cloud Infrastructure, find our webpage there, contact information is there, and you can also submit a request for additional information at that site. I'd be happy to send it out more information to you about the program, answer questions that you may have, and follow up with you. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time looking at the Cloud Infrastructure Program.
Hi, my name is Kim Olds, and I'm Program Director for the Office Administration Department here at Wake Tech Community College. We are in the Information Technology Division, and we comprise or consist of two different programs, Medical Office and Office Administration. Let me show you a little more. As mentioned, we are two programs, the Office Administration Department, Medical Office and Office Administration. We've been recognized in both. Our medical office degrees and certificates were ranked as one of the top online medical office administration programs in the nation by thebestschools.org. Our office administration programs were ranked as one of the best office administration programs in the nation by bestvalueschool.org. All of our curriculum courses in our medical office and office administration programs are offered online. We concentrate on student success and have accessible online courses. Our students can start our programs any semester, fall, spring, or summer. Also, it's such an awesome opportunity for those working parents, even now where you're homeschooling, you may have adult parents you're taking care of. We're here for you. All of our courses are online. We have several certifications: Microsoft Office, Word, Word Expert, Excel, Excel Expert, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Access. CPC certification, which is Certified Professional Coder through AAPC. CEHRS certification, which is Certified Electronic Health Record Specialist through NHA, and QuickBooks certification. We also have a couple of articulation agreements, whereas you can go on further to get your bachelor's degree. One with NC Wesleyan College, which accepts up to 60 credits in our degree programs, and additional 15 credits in general education from Wake Tech, and also with the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. We also offer you the opportunity to do work-based learning. It's an elective option in our degree programs, both of them, medical office and office. And it's the opportunity to apply knowledge to jobs in office settings. Curriculum credit for the work-based learning experience. Also, a lot of our students are able to continue on and get permanent positions. Then there's the National Technical Honor Society. Students who maintain a GPA of 3.25 or higher in our degree programs are eligible to join the National Technical Honor Society. Students are able to network with other smart technical students, apply for scholarships, differentiate your resume from others right out of college, and also be a lifetime member of that organization. If you have further or need further information, please contact Paula Rosen, the department head at psrosen@waketech.edu, or me, Kim Olds, program director at klolds@waketech.edu. Thanks, and can't wait to see you as a future Eagle.
My name is Matt Henry, and I'm the program director for the Internet Service and Support degree program at Wake Technical Community College. Internet service and support is about so much more than just the help desk in a building's basement. The stereotypes and cliches are real. Yes, you'll have end users who have forgotten to plug cables into the machine. Yes, you'll have users who have forgotten to plug a power cable into the wall. And yes, let's go there. You'll sometimes have users whose problems are solved by power cycling, turning a machine off and turning a machine on again. But when we pull away from the media stereotypes, the world of the Internet service and support professional is an ever-changing workplace in constant flux. Every day will be a new challenge. As a support professional, you are a frontline worker within your employer's IT infrastructure. You're like the triage nurse in an emergency room, working with patients to see who you can treat and who you need to send on to specialists. And when you escalate customers and clients, you then need to follow up to make sure that they've been taken care of well. While we've come to stereotype service and support as a job where people work in seas of cubicles, bound to headsets, chained to PCs, that's only one of the many hats support professionals may wear. You might have to remove, replace, or install hardware in offices and labs. You may have to deploy software in operating systems or software in operating system updates. You may have to deploy training to help your end users learn new technology skills, software, and all-purpose skills. You may even be called upon to take a supervisory role and help new support professionals as they move up the ranks. As we continue to culturally move into our new remote and socially distanced world, you may have to handle customers remotely via video or using remote assistance tools. And of course, you may be called upon to troubleshoot and fix anything in those contexts. The Wake Tech Internet Service and Support degree program will prepare you to confidently go into these workplaces as an entry-level employee. You'll learn critical concepts to prepare you for CompTIA's Network Plus and Security Plus certification exams. You'll learn to build, troubleshoot, and repair PCs for CompTIA's A+ certification exam. You'll become a Windows 10 specialist for Microsoft's Modern Desktop Administrator certification exams. You'll learn why IT is the backbone of the business workplace and why you, as the support professional, are critical to the business's ultimate success. At the end of your degree, you'll either go into real support positions for work-based learning, or you'll engage a capstone class driven by industry leaders from our advisory committee. But most importantly, you will learn the art of being a technology whisperer for your customers and clients. You'll learn how to quickly identify their problems and help them solve those problems. You will learn a concierge-level mastery of uniting world-class customer service with empathetic communication and handling driven by industry-defined technology skills, technical knowledge, and problem solving. You'll not only learn to be a dynamic and independent employee, but you'll learn how to be a strong team player with the interpersonal skills to navigate the most challenging of clients and coworkers. If you'd like to learn more about the Internet Service and Support degree program and your new career as an Internet Service and Support professional, I'd love to talk with you and help you get started. Please email me at mchenry@waketech.edu and we can set up a time to talk. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining Wake Tech's virtual open house. Make sure to smash that apply button right now because we can't wait to see you as a student. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at admissions.waketech.edu. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed the session. We are going to move it over to our live Q&A portion. We have 2 questions that came in, so bear with me. One of them is, hi, I would like to know more about the medical billing and coding degree as I would like to join. Here, I'll go ahead and publish this. Maybe you can answer that, Paula?
Sure. It's a 2-year AAS degree in medical billing and coding. And we also offer the opportunity for you to sit for the CPC exam to get coding certification from AAPC. It's a very comprehensive program. You can start any semester in the spring. You would be able to start the courses. Our medical course starts in the fall, but you can take courses year-round in the program. Did you have specifics, or if you want to contact me at psrosen, PSROSEN @waketech.edu, be glad to have a phone conversation with you or meet with you at another time. Did you have any specific questions?
That was the only one that came through, Paula. Thank you. We do have another question that came through. I'll publish it real quick. I get admissions, and when can I start the course? I'm assuming you're just asking about going through the admission process. Well, now we're into the second half of the fall term, so the next possible entry date would be in January, would be the next start date. So getting that process going for admissions, getting all your transcripts brought over from your other colleges and that sort of thing, you know, and then you can, you know, eventually sign up for classes for the spring term. Is there any other questions out there? Feel free to add those to the question box. Do any of you directors have any you know, questions that you guys get asked a lot at open houses that you might want to share? I know Noreen shared something about what computer to buy and that sort of thing for her program. Does anybody want to share anything?
So while they're thinking of those questions, I'll go ahead and I'll answer that question. I get a lot of questions with regards to new and prospective students. What type of computer should I buy that's best for the program? And it all depends on the exact program that you are going to be going into within the IT division. If you're going to be in programming and information sciences, which is either business analytics, computer programming and development, or data science and support services, we recommend that you have a personal computer, a PC, a laptop, definitely not a Chromebook, and definitely not a Mac. Now, if you're on the other side, the web side and or the graphics side, we would probably recommend having a Mac computer because that's really what they're designed for.
Excellent. Thank you, Noreen.
Along those lines, in office and medical office, you definitely have to have Windows 10 computer, no Apples or Macs. So you definitely need a Windows 10 operating system on your computer.
Excellent. Thank you, Paula. I see a new question came in. We are interested in AAS, Data Science and Programming Support Services, wondering if it is available in RTP campuses, evening class, or online.
I'll take that question. Our Data Science and Support Program is a program that is offered mainly on the South Campus and the Northern Campus. Although we do offer some of the courses on the RTP campus, the majority are on the Northern Campus and the Southern Campus. We do offer the courses in several formats, and that would include both online, hybrid, and face-to-face. With COVID-19 going on right now, our spring semester schedule which is going to be released tomorrow. We are looking at both synchronous and asynchronous online courses for the spring semester in all three of the computer programming and development, business analytics, and data science and support curriculum courses.
Excellent, thank you. I think you have another one here, Noreen.
Okay.
For computer programming, can the degree or classes be easily transferred to ECU or NCSU?
Okay, that's a great question, and I'm happy to say we have a new agreement with ECU with the BSIT, and yes, you can complete your computer programming and development degree, Associates of Applied Science degree here at Wake Tech, and we can then work with the admissions folks at ECU to transfer the majority of your credits over to the BSIT degree over there at ECU. Unfortunately, we do not have that articulation agreement with NC State. If you are interested in transferring to NC State, we recommend our students to complete the Associate of Science degree and take either the Java or the C++ course to then add as one of your electives that will transfer to NC State.
Excellent, thank you, Noreen.
You're welcome.
Cindy Allison, this question might be for you. How have you been handling remote learning? Have you found that it has gone smoothly so far?
Well, probably everybody on here could make a comment to that one, but actually I think we've been pleasantly surprised. Well, I shouldn't say surprised. We have the greatest faculty across the state, so they were all well prepared to offer the courses. We've offered a variety of formats, and it really depends on the division or the department within our division as to how they've been successful, whether it was completely online synchronous, where we offered the courses and classroom instruction through Microsoft Teams, or whether we did a hybrid type of instruction. But we really have been pleased with what we've been able to do in a really difficult time for everything else. So we're pleased with what Wake Tech's been able to offer our students.
Excellent, thank you. We might have one more time for one more question. This is for Paula. Is medical billing and coding campus available on RTP campus?
No, all of our classes are offered online. You could take some general education classes on the RTP campus, but we always advertise our programs as being totally online. But we do have lots of assistance and virtual meetings through Teams and things like that.
Looks like we got another question. If I get a degree in graphic design or game design degree, are there companies in that area that accept your students? Here, I'll publish this. Allison, do you want to answer?
Yeah, in answer to that question, yes, there are local employers that hire the graduates in either simulation and game development or advertising and graphic design. In both programs, you work your way through until you develop a portfolio of work to show potential employers. Recently, Epic Games had a few jobs that we were promoting among our graduates, so that gives you an idea of one local company, but students can end up in the gaming side with many of the gaming companies in the triangle. With the graphic design, it can really vary. Many companies have in-house graphic design, print shops, larger organizations, as well as state and government agencies.
Excellent. Thank you, Allison. Well, I'd like to thank you all for joining our virtual open house. We hope you've enjoyed this session. Please watch other sessions to find out more about Wake Tech. Thank you and have a great day.